How to apply a duplicate effect to a subject from a green screen video in DaVinci Resolve 18.0.2. Inside your project's edits window, holding Ctrl and press I to insert a green screen video of your choice. Use Command instead of Ctrl if you are a Mac user. Prior to inserting the video clip that I can now find inside my media pool master bin, I will first apply a gradient coloured background to my video file by going to Effects, and underneath Toolbox I will select Generators and will go to drag a 4-colour gradient tool to the edits timeline. Once you have added a similar background, go to click on the thumbnail of your inserted green screen video clip and go to drag your chosen clip to the video track above that of your background. Using the selection mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, click and drag from the end of the edits to adjust the duration of these clips where necessary, ensuring that the background edit and the video clip are of the same duration. Right click on your inserted green screen video clip edit and go to Open in Fusion page. Inside your Fusion Nodes panel, ensure that your Media in 1 node is selected, hold in Shift and press space. Use the search box at the bottom of the Select Tool window to find the Ultra Keyer tool, which we will use to remove the green screen background around our subject. Select this tool and go to click on Add. This tool should be automatically connected between Media in 1 and Media out 1. With this new tool selected, go to Inspector and under Pre-Matte, click and hold your mouse button on the Picker tool alongside background colour and drag your mouse cursor to the green screen, letting go of the mouse button once the cursor is over this shade. If you still have a green fringe around the edges of your subject, you can remove these by increasing the background correction value slightly. Bear in mind that increasing this value too high may result in the non-green edges of your subject being trimmed also. Should you see additional colour shades appearing around your subject, increase the background correction value until only your subject remains on screen. If you still see colour appearing around your subject, or even an intense shade appearing around the subject itself, such as the red glow around the cat here, try increasing the matte separation value also. Now that the area surrounding the cat subject here is transparent, we will next apply a node which will enable us to change the position of this. With Ultra Keyer still selected, hold in Shift and press space again, and go to add the Transform XF tool. To avoid showing the section at the bottom where the cat's paws are cropped off, I will shift the position of the subject clip downwards by decreasing the value for Center Y, here in this example to 0.465. I will now shift the cat to the right by increasing the Center X value to 0.7. Now to create the duplicate effect, I wish for 4 additional cats to be shown, which will mimic the movements of the original cat. With Transform 1 selected still, hold in Shift and press space, and go to add the Duplicate tool. I wish for the additional cats to start appearing after 1 second of screen time. The value for copies underneath Controls in Inspector includes the original cat and a duplicate of this. To ensure that only the original cat appears at the start of the video clip, I will reduce this value to 1 and will check to make sure that the frame pointer on my Fusion timeline refers to the start of my video clip, frame 0 in this case. Once this is set, and with copies set to 1, I will select the keyframe diamond icon next to this variable. The frame rate of your video clip can be found by going to the media pool inside the Fusion panel and clicking on the clip attributes icon in the bottom right corner of your video clip thumbnail. Here in this example, the frame rate of my chosen clip is 30. I will therefore advance forward to frame 29 and will select the keyframe diamond icon next to copies once more to ensure that only the original cat appears on screen during the first second of this video clip. I wish for the additional 4 cats to appear after another second of screen time. Therefore, I will advance forward by a further 30 frames to frame 59 and will increase copies to 5. Note how a keyframe setting is automatically applied to the copies value. Now to set the position of the additional cats in this video. To create the illusion that the cats are stood in a long line 3-dimensionally, I will first decrease Center X to 0.44 to spread the cats out horizontally. What we also see happening here is that the original subject has now appeared behind the duplicated ones. In order to position these copies behind the original subject, we will go to tick Merge Under underneath Controls, which should invert the ordering of our subjects. And to add a basic three-dimensional look to our cat line, I will decrease size to 0.8. Should you wish to adjust the size of your original subject, return to Transform and adjust the size value. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.